Alright, it's Saturday night up at the Tiny, and there's a blizzard. So, normally, a steak on the grill would be the order of the night. But, tonight, I think we're gonna make a stew. I have some stew meat that I picked up, and I have a giant Dutch oven that my sister-in-law Regina gave me. I'm kind of excited to use it. It should be perfect for this meal. Never done this before, so let's see how it goes. Let's see what I come up with. Giant Dutch oven. We're gonna drop it in, sear the meat up, and then we'll just add some ingredients after we get the meat ready. Slow cook it, and I think we should have something fairly tasty. So, got some avocado oil that we are going to brown up our 2 packages of stew meat. Some seasoning salt. Throw in a couple of different kinds. Never go wrong with minced onions. And then my personal favorite, Jack Daniel's steak seasoning. It's a regular in every meal around this place. So my plan with the onion is to throw some pretty hearty big slices in there early, and then as it cooks it'll just emulsify into the stew. I mean, that's what I really think will happen, because it's going to go in so early, so I'm not going to be worried about cutting them down small. I'm going to leave them pretty hard. Alright, after that meat browns up, we're going to add some stock to it and some beef stew mix. And we'll cook it all up, and then I have a bunch of canned vegetables to throw in there, so we'll kind of see how it goes. Alright, so our meat is at a nice brown. We got a nice base going in there. Most of the meat is browned all the way through. So we're gonna liquid up this little stew of ours. So I got some beef stock, because I think that always tastes good. And I don't really know what I'm doing here. I'm just doing some stuff. We got some Mick Golden Light to richen it up a little bit. We're just going to bring this right up to kind of a boil and just kind of let it slow simmer for a little bit. We'll give you an update in a little bit. Alright, so the meat's been simmering for a while. It's starting to get tender, and I think it's time to just start building up our ingredients inside of there. I'm gonna use everything canned, so it's just gonna be more like a matter of heating it up and then getting the thickness right. The meat's just pretty much falling apart in there, so I think once I get everything in there, I'm just going to drop it to a really low temperature. Okay, so the meat's been in the Dutch oven for an hour and a half, and it's starting to get really tender. So I'm just going to add canned vegetables and canned ingredients. It's pretty thick in there. Might want to thin it down just a little bit for right now. So kind of excited to see how this comes out. I'm just going to add a few of the vegetables and then see if I got to add anything to it to see if I can get it to be more what I want it. So right now, bump the temp up, get it to a simmer again, and we'll just let it sit for a little bit and see what happens. So this is my first shot at beef stew, so we'll see how it goes. Give you an update in a little bit. Okay, so our stew slash roast has rested for a minute. The only change that I made to it was a little soupy, so I added barley to it, and it really did thicken it a lot, and it looks more definitely, or it's a stew now, and it looks delicious. So we're going to take a little sample and see what we got. So it's thick.
True fragrance.
I don't know if we're into that, but that's very, very good.
We now control our home with a touch. And you know what's better than all these things by themselves? All these things combined from the most trusted name in security.
Well, so Dutch oven stew inside the tiny house. Not a grilled steak tonight. Time well spent. It's the kind of meal you need when you're out in this kind of weather. We definitely got about 6 inches of snow, and we're clearly heading to another foot, they said, overnight. So tomorrow we'll have some stew to eat. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.